Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this pet water fountain. And let's see what we got here. Now we got the bowl itself, as you can see. Open this up. I already got the water filter already plugged up for you, so you won't have to do that. And I got extra filters. You got your little water filter there, fountain there, and where you put your filter in, and this is another filter. They even give you a USB charging thing. Pretty much everybody got one of those. The only thing you gotta do is plug it in like so. You open this cat up. What you do here is you get you put this like that, and you close it up. And then right here, you just insert it. Then that, I'll line that up with this. There it goes, like that. And that goes in like that. Then I'll be back after I wash it. Now I'm back after I washed it and everything. Now, what you want to do is put some water in there. Normally I don't use water for my pet, but you know, for the video I will. Then you fill her up like you want it. And you want the cord coming out of that little spigot there. Like so. And there you go. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.